I was cleaning a chandelier. I was on a 12-foot step ladder and had a drop cloth under my ladder, and the chandelier came out of the ceiling for the safety reasons, and when it hit the floor, it put a hole in the floor, pulled the drop cloth out from underneath my ladder and threw me off. And when I hit the floor, I was paralyzed. I was pretty confused, scared. I really definitely needed somebody on my side that was gonna help me. Konoski got me. He helped me get through a really tough time in my life. He said that we had a good case. So, and I trusted that he knows better than I do. So I needed a house that's handicap accessible. He worked, he fought to get that and got me a handicap van and electric chairs and wheelchairs and pretty much everything, that I needed. If I had a problem getting it, I'd call him, and within a reasonable amount of time, I'd get it. Konoski made sure that I was taken care of for the rest of my life.
Sheffian Mazzucaro has over 25 years in handling brain injury cases. And what sets us apart from other firms across the state is that we recognize that brain injury cases can often be subtle. Sometimes brain injury cases are obvious. You've been knocked unconscious, you may have had a direct head strike. But in our experience in handling traumatic brain injury cases, we call them TBIs, we've found that someone who suffers a minor TBI may not even be aware of it. They might be aware only of a change of personality. They might be aware that they've been crying. They might be aware that they're emotionally agitated. We recognize those symptoms. In handling a traumatic brain injury case, I have two roles as an attorney. One, of course, is to get you the maximum compensation. But the second role is as important. We want to see you get better. And we have connections, for instance, to the Brain Injury Alliance of Connecticut that offer support groups, that may offer you assistance, that will direct you to providers who can help you to get better. And that's what it's all about.